Hi, welcome back to my channel. In this video, as you can tell, we've got another AliExpress haul. This video is well overdue. You can see I've been getting loads of things to the point that I couldn't wait to use the moulds. I've had to open them, use them. So you'll see some moulds have been opened and used, and I can probably show you some of the things I've made with them. So without further ado, let's get opening some of these packages, because I need to get more of these items into use because these envelopes are just cluttering up my space. So let's get through it. Okay, so first of all, we'll go to this bag here and let's see what we've got. I can't even remember some of the things. So what we've got in here, so some moulds. Look at this, a Cinderella shoe. Wow, I can't wait to do this. I've thought about doing this in a white crystally sort of colour, real Cinderella. So I've been wanting this for a while and I keep putting it off, but I finally got it. You pour from the top, you can make a really nice shoe with that. So stay tuned for that video coming soon. So that's that mould. Next, this. I can't even remember, I tell you. Oh, okay. Plant signs. Don't know if you see one of my videos, a few videos back, a while back, I did some plant signs because I've got a wood or a laser machine, should I say, and I made some plant signs, but I bought more, and I bought a bulk pack this time of 50, but this time I want to do herb plant signs. So that's why I got those. So I've been meaning to do this for a while, and I even forgot I had them because they've been packaged up. So now they're out, they will remind me that I need to do it. Next, okay, a Mr. and Mrs. So I don't know which order my videos are going out in, but I said in one of my last videos I'm getting married next year, and I just thought I would try and create a cute Mr. and Mrs. As part of my wedding decoration. You know, the first one might be a trial, I don't know, but it's always good to have this as an option for people to buy from you. So I've got that. I mean, it came folded, which is a bit annoying because, you know, I don't like moulds that fold. It can create a dent in your resin work. But that's a Mr. and Mrs. Just try and keep that flat now. So that's that envelope. Let's go on to this one. Some of these might be empty because I might have taken the bits out already. I don't know. Okay, so this is a resin a box, you know, for dominoes. So I've got the dominoes mould, and I've done dominoes, and normally I package them up in a organza bag, but I thought it'd be nice to have this option to be able to do a matching box for the dominoes. So yeah, I have to get making a set of dominoes with that now, with their matching box. And I forgot I even ordered that. Next, don't think even in this. No, see, they're empty, and I think I know what they were. Same with these, look, they're empty. So that means I got it and then I cracked straight into my order. I was eager to use what I'd ordered. Here's something. Just a little pack of bicone beads. Are they bicones or? And I can't even remember why I ordered these and what my intention was, why I wanted them. And I thought I'd actually get more than what's in there, but I'll use them for something. I can't even remember why I wanted them. I must have had a project in mind, but I'll put them in my stash, and then I'm sure when I remember I've got them. We've got more. We've got more. So let's keep going. In here, okay, these are just some labels, and they're good for like the rings that I have, but these actually, no, these aren't the ring ones. These are the ones, so you know when you do a piece and you just need to stick a price tag on. A good roll of price tags. So good job that's out, because I need that. Here's a star mould. I love these blue moulds, they're really good quality. Now if you can hear some noise, there's some digging going on next door now. The workers have just begun. Oh, look at these. I forgot I had these. So this is for my laser burner. Stainless steel keychain, and I want to engrave, you know, like messages on there. So I've got a pack of those. So I need to try that out. But they could, I think they're going to come out really good if that works. So I've got those. And look at this. Oh, I can't wait to do these. I've got these dog acrylic blanks, or dog bow shall I say. So I thought these are going to be beautiful for Christmas. Can you see I'm already thinking about Christmas? But, you know, put the dog's name, even to make a memory piece for somebody. Comes with the white ribbon. I think there's a pack of 20 maybe in there. And that is going to be so stinking cute. So, set of them. I've got some really exciting things to get cracking on with. I've just got so much to do. Another more labels. So these are the ones for the rings. Can you see? They're just the little tags that you just put your price and then wrap through a ring. Okay, we've got a couple more envelopes to open. In here, I've shown you this shell before, like when I've actually made one. So I sometimes have to make more than one of these at a time, and I only had the one mould, so I've bought another one of these moulds just so that when I have to make more than one at a time, it's easier for me. So having a second one now, that's handy. Cats, can you see them? These are just some cats in different cat positions. So I do like the jelly baby frames, and I just thought having the cat like in this sort of option was cute to have, so that was why I got that. On this last bit, it's a paw, but it's a Druzy Mold, so it's got the Druzy in the paw print and in the actual paw, the main part of the paw. So it's just like a little paw it'll be, but it'll be all sparkly, so I can't wait to try that. And I forgot I had that as well. So that's those bits. Before I move on to show you what's in my back room, what I've currently got set in, because I've got some moulds in use that were recent from AliExpress. I've just literally received an Amazon package, so I've just opened that up. So I just thought I'd show you these. And these are just some bits I'm getting in preparation for things. I've got some acrylic blanks, and these are the 4-inch ones. So you can use these for obviously Christmas decorations, but I'm going to look at doing different types of keepsakes with these, and doing something maybe with sublimation or infusible ink. So that's why I ordered those, and that was a pack of round acrylic blanks in 4-inch. So I will try and link the Amazon link down below. Then I got these. I thought these were going to be a lot bigger. It said they were 4 by 4 centimeters. Look, 4 by 4 centimeters. Is that 4 centimeters? Or maybe I was confusing myself with inches. Probably is 4 centimetres, isn't it? Don't know what I'm going to do with those now because they're quite small. Yeah, I need to think about that. That was from Amazon. I've got this Christmas kit. I know it's only July and I'm buying Christmas things, but it comes with these acrylic blanks and then the red ribbon, and you've got all these different shapes. Is that broken? I think we've got the bell. I don't know if that's snapped. I specifically got it for the stars. Don't know if that's snapped. You've got the bells, the boot. I mean, they're quite thin. Oh, and Christmas tree. So that's just for Christmas, because before you know it, Christmas is going to be here. Those, and then I've got this, craft it. I thought, great, I wanted stars. Didn't realise it was going to be kids, little, really quite thin wood. I mean, I can't snap it, but it's untreated wood, so I could probably laser on that, and then I'd have to stain it. So maybe I'll pull that off, get one out. It is untreated wood, but I could laser a message on that, and then I would have to wood stain it because it's very pale plywood. So that's those. Right, let me take you in the back room and I'll show you my other bits. So ignore the state of my workstation, but basically that's a new mould, that's a new mould. So I've got these from AliExpress, and that was a set of 3, so there's another 2 there being cured, and that was a new mould, and that is basically makes a pig. So that's that mould. And let me show you what the other ones make. So with that skull, that one that's currently curing, we've made these 2 moulds, and they are big moulds. Look smaller when I was just hanging it down. So I've made these big skulls, then we've made these little ones. So look in comparison, these are little tiny ones, and these I'm going to turn into keychains. So I'm going to drill on the top, turn it into a keychain. So there's more of the little moulds, the little skulls, and you can just get really addicted to making skulls because you can do them in such nice colours. Hence we've done 2 of those. There's another one curing, another 2 of those. That's an old mould, that little bird. I just always use that for any leftover. So that makes like one of these. That's what I've done with that bird. So that's just for leftover resin. And yeah, they're my skulls. So guys, I hope you've enjoyed this AliExpress haul with a couple of little Amazon bits in there as well. If you have, please give the video a thumbs up. I appreciate you guys coming back here to watch these videos. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already. I'll be back very soon with another video, so stay tuned. See you soon. Bye.